Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update SpamAssassin configuration for email security detailed guide step by step clearly. To update the SpamAssassin configuration for improved email security, begin by accessing your server. Use an SSH client to log into your server. Enter your username and password to establish a secure connection. Once logged in, navigate to the SpamAssassin configuration directory. Typically, this is located at /etc/mail/SpamAssassin. Use the command cd/etc/mail/SpamAssassin to change directories. Next, open the configuration file for editing. This file is usually named local.cf. Use a text editor like Nano or Vim by entering nanolocal.cf or vimlocal.cf. Before making changes, it's good practice to create a backup of the original configuration. You can do this by running the command cplocal.cf local.cf. Now, proceed to the actual configuration changes. Start by adjusting the scoring rules to fit your organization's needs. You can increase or decrease scores for specific spam patterns. For example, to adjust the score for received headers, add the line header my_header eval check for header. To set a specific score for that header, use score my_header 5.0. Next, enable or disable certain checks that SpamAssassin performs. For instance, to enable the RDNSBL check, add the line use_base1. If you wish to disable a check, use score hits_to_SPF0. It's also important to incorporate custom rules if necessary. Create a new file in the same directory for custom rules. You might name this file user_prefs. Edit that file, similar to how you edited local.cf. Within user_prefs, you can specify rules unique to your environment. After making the desired changes, save and close the file. If you use Nano, press Ctrl+X, then Y, followed by Enter. For Vim, type a WQ and press Enter. The next step is to restart the SpamAssassin service for changes to take effect. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.